klarong-klaro sa saligang batas na it's supposed to be the Senate President who will preside over impeachment complaints covering all impeachable officers below the President.
Ano hong partikular pong probisyon ng ating saligang batas o sa ating konstitusyon ang nilabag po sa tingin po ninyo, nilabag po ang, dito sa pagpili nga kay Senator Chis Escudero bilang presiding officer ng Senate Impeachment Court?
And the provision of accountability, if I'm not mistaken, Article 12 of our Constitution, na klarong-klaro doon na pag merong impeachment complaint that is being heard before the Senate, it should be the Senate President who should preside over impeachment complaints covering all impeachable officers below the President. At napatunayan naman din na kasi yung Constitution na ipandayan, if I may, in the proceedings of the what you call the Constitutional Commission at the time. And klarong-klaro doon sa exchange ni Commissioner Davide and Commissioner Monsud na pag hindi po presidente on trial, sino po ang magpipreside. So in that particular exchange, naiklaro po na the one who is supposed to preside is the Senate President.
Opo, pero anong masasabi po ninyo doon sa mga argumento naman ng ilang mga senador dahil po yung sinabi po ninyo ay yun po mismo ang pinagdebatehan bago po sila pumili ng presiding officer sa halip nga na itong si Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian ang mamuno sa Senate Impeachment Court.
That's good that you raised that point. Even the manner by which they change the rules on impeachment sa Senado, questionable din. Kasi nga, sang-ayon ako sa obserbasyon at klarong-klaro naman doon sa balita, nung June 3 na Senate session, wala po silang quorum. So kung wala kayong quorum, how can you convene a session in the Senate? So doon pa lang, questionable na. Pangalawa, it's a matter of procedure, according to Senator Cayetano, na when there is a motion that is supposed to be put on the table to be debated upon and voted by the members, it should be filed a day before. And there was none that was filed a day before. The motion to change the rules of the impeachment rules. So, yun, pangalawang rason naman na talagang questionable yung pag-iiba ng klarong-klaro sa saligang batas na it's supposed to be the Senate President who will preside over impeachment complaints covering all impeachable officers below the President.